So in this video, I'm going to show you a way on how you can get free money through Revolut. Now, to be honest, there really is only one way to get free money out of Revolut, and that's by referring your friends to Revolut. So to do that, you'll just want to click on the profile section at the top of the app here, and then click through to invite friends here. And as you can see here, right now, Revolut will pay you up to £40 for every single invite. But do keep in mind that this value can change from time to time depending on the promotion. And obviously, if you're from another region like the United States or Europe, the reward might be a different currency altogether. And if you scroll down here, it will give you a list of the things they need to do in order for you to get your referral payout. And there's 4 steps in total. And those 4 steps are 1, sign up through your link, 2, add money to their account, 3, order a physical card, and then 4, once they've got that physical card, make at least 3 transactions of a minimum of £5 once they've got that card. And then if they complete all those steps within the time frame, you'll get paid £40 per referral. So if you'd like to go ahead and invite a friend to Revolut to earn money, you can go ahead and click invite friends here, and you'll be able to send that link to whoever you want. But do keep in mind that referral links can change month on month depending on the offer, so it won't always be the same link. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.